What's good, boys? In this video I'm going to show you guys how I took zero point 0.1 Sol, which was around $8 to $9, and I turned it into about 1 Solana. First of all, we set up some good filters. You can see here with my filters there's not much things to look at. Everything's filtered out to the good coins, and at the end of the video I'll show you guys all my filters. So the first trade we took was a coin called Colony, the ant colony. Now I saw this in final stretch and I saw it being pumped, so I bought $8 0.1 at 18k, and all I did was sell it as soon as it pumped after a Gijo candle. The Gijo is a good trader. He bought and I just sold as soon as it went up. I didn't get greedy and I just sold. I sold about 40%, and then I saw the chart wasn't going up more, and then I sold the rest of it. And with this we made 0.04, which was $3.40. I know it's not much, but you'll see in the video how it adds up. Now again, I saw this coin called Ouroboros, right, which was basically something to do with Truth Terminal. I was researching it and I thought it was really good, so I saw it being pumped quite quickly and I waited for a dip. The moment it dipped I bought 0.1, and then it pumped again and I sold. I bought $8 and I sold for $12. Again, I didn't get greedy. You can see here it didn't go that much high, it just dumped. So I bought and I sold quickly, and we made another 0.04, another $3. So now that we've turned our 0.1 into about 0.2 nearly, I had more to play with. Now I saw this coin called the last 2000. It was a nice photo. It was a narrative that meant there's only 2,000 people left trading meme coins. So I thought it was really good. And the moment I saw it go down, I bought again for 0.1. I waited a bit and I saw that it started getting a bit of traction, and then I sold this for nearly a 2x. Sold it for $15, 0.08. It was a $7 win. And just like that, we've made about $15 already. Just above $15 from our $8 start. Now the coin I saw was Void. I saw on Twitter a lot of people were saying this word, and I saw that a lot of the big traders were buying it. So again, I waited for a dip, waited for it to go down, saw a big red candle, and I bought. This time I bought with 0.2. So we had 0.2 and I bought it with 0.2, $17. And then two big wallets bought right after me, and I sold it for $22. Now this one was again a 0.06 win, another $5. And you can see here, you guys have to be strict, right? If I bought at this range, right? If I bought at this range here, and if I saw it go down to maybe from 42k to like 30k and it didn't go back up, I would have sold here and taken the loss. You can't hold your coins all the way to the ground or else you'll have nothing. Now you can see I bought another coin after that called Cult. So what this was everyone who joined the community, the dev of this coin was giving people the badges for Twitter, so you could have this as your badge as Twitter, which was very new and I thought it was unique. So I bought here, I bought for 0.05. I wasn't too sure, so I bought with only $4. It went up a little bit and I just sold for broke even because I was like, not much people are buying it. So then I saw that it started staying at a decent price above 70k. So I bought again. I bought 0.1 and it pumped a little bit, and I started researching more and more about this coin. I clicked on the Twitter page, it went to the Twitter, and I was seeing all the comments. I was seeing that people are actually getting their badges, you know, the dev is doing what he said he would. So I bought another 0.1 when it dipped, and then I waited, it went up a bit, and I sold for 2x. I sold for 23. So in total we bought for 16, sold for 23. And you can see here a little bit after it dumped. It did dump and it did go back up, but hey, it is what it is. Lucky I didn't get diddied, it would have been bad. If I saw this go down like this, I would have sold. I would have instantly just sold around here and taken the loss. But now we've turned our 0.1 into about 0.35. Next, when you're buying and selling, make sure you guys are using Axiom, right? If you're not using Axiom, make sure you're using Terminal. Those two are the best trading websites. And if you use the link in my YouTube description, you guys will get 20% off all your fees, right? And you get extra cash back. So if I click rewards here, you can see here, I earn rewards just by trading. Now, going on to this coin, this was 23 hours ago. It's called Memecoins. So again, on Twitter, people were using these weird words, right, for everything. And so someone created a meme coin of that word. And you can see I bought here for 0.1 and I thought it was really good. So I bought another 0.1. It went up and I was thinking about selling here, but I didn't. It went down again and it pumped back up a little bit, and then I sold. Bought for 16, sold for 20. I waited a bit and it dumped. I saw a big red candle. So I bought another 0.1 and then I sold because it wasn't going anywhere. So I didn't make money on this section, but I did make $4 here. And then I saw that it was starting to get pumped again, so I got a bit of fear of missing out here, or what other people call FOMO. So I bought another 0.1 and I waited and I sold this for another $3. And with this, it was another $6 win, good little 17%. And the last two trades I want to show you guys, and you can see here the DEX got paid, so I bought 4.1. It migrated and it dumped. And I was like, no, this is so good. The time is now. Someone was live as well, so he was streaming, and so I bought another 0.1. I took my average cost down and then just went back up, and then I sold for 22. And again with this one, we made another $5. All of these small wins add up, guys. If you can do it with a small amount of money like this, you can do it with a bigger amount. And I'm just showing you guys how easy it is. That it is possible to turn 0.1 Solana into 1 Sol. And the final trade that I took was one of the biggest trades, and I'll show you guys. You can see here the coin called Asteroid. Obviously, if you guys are active on Twitter, you would have seen how huge this was. It was this little girl who died of cancer, and her final wishes were she asked Elon Musk if he will make this teddy bear the mascot for SpaceX. So you can see I was so early to this coin. I bought with only, look at this guys, I bought with $13 because I wasn't sure how good it was. And then it started going up so quickly, and I just started selling like 10%, 13%. You can see here I sold $4, $5, $4, $2, 4, 3, 8, 3, 4, and then 8 at the top. You can see this coin I sold it at the top, and then I had a little bit more left, $4, which I sold down here because I thought if I keep $4, what if it goes all the way up? But it didn't, and you can see here we turned 0.15 into $52, 0.4 Solana. And with those trades, we turned our 0.1 into 1 Sol, but sadly I'm down 0.3 right now, but we'll make it back, chat, we'll make it back. And these are my filters. So for new pairs, only pump, only bonk, audit 2 minutes max, metrics, 160 minimum volume, minimum market cap 3,300. So it only shows you coins that people are actually buying. Final stretch, same thing, only pump, only bonk. Sometimes I have bonkers on. Max token age, I've done 20 hours, but usually I keep it at 20 minutes. And for the metrics, we got 10,000 volume, 5,800 market cap, and global fees paid and sold 0.35. This is very important to filter out the scam coins. Just hit apply and you'll see it takes away all the rubbish coins. And for migrated section, same thing, pump, bonk, bonkers, maximum token age, 12 hours. You don't want to see old coins. Minimum volume, 50,000, minimum market cap, 19,000, minimum global fees paid, 5. You hit it and you just see what there is. Make sure you guys are using Axiom. Get the rewards every time you trade. You get cash back. You can just claim it. You can see on this account I've made 0.7. On my other Axiom account I've made over 50 Solana. Now I've shown you guys that it's possible to turn 0.1 Sol into 1 Sol, and then you can scale from there. Go to 1 Sol to 5 Sol. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.